Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will do Fibonacci Sequence Generator, and we will use again, let me run first. Here we have a number, and when I put a number until like if I write 5, it will give me 5 sequence numbers. 6, 7. This number is it means that I have how many like Fibonacci numbers I have. If I write 20, it will give me 20 numbers here. Okay, how it works? First, I will have an input, the number here, widgets in text, integer text, description, number of terms. Here we are seeing. And then sequence output. Here we are defining a label. After that we are defining a function, generate sequence. And inside we have a change. Actually, I forgot to talk about that in the previous projects. Maybe you also didn't realize that. If you are using observe here, guys, you have to use change here. So what's happening? Observe, generate sequence value. Here an input. It's observing an input, and whenever the value in the an inputs change, it run generate sequence function again. So to run this function again, here we are using observe, here we are using change parameter. If you don't use change, let me show you. When we change this number, nothing happened. So change is important. Here, as you can see, we have a result. Okay, we are defining a function, and n equals n input value. We are taking value here. Fibonacci sequence equals, we are creating a list 0, 1, because we need to have at least 2 items here, 0, 1, and I think all of you know that what's Fibonacci sequence. Let me show you that here, like 10. First two numbers 0, 1, and the third number is the sum of the last two numbers. 0 plus 1 equals 1, and after that 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 8 13, 8 plus 13 21. It goes like this. So we need to have first two numbers in the code, and then we give the numbers here. For example, 10. Just look at 10, and will be 10. And for I in range 2 10, these numbers start from 2 to 9 when I write 10. After that, Fibonacci sequence append. In this loop, we are adding the numbers here. So what will we add? We will add, for example, when it is 3, run this one, we need to add 1, right? Imagine n is 3. If Fibonacci sequence I minus 1, here I will be 2, and 2 minus 1 1, and here 1 index is 1, plus Fibonacci sequence I minus 2. I is 2, 2 minus 2 0, and 0 index is 0. So 1 plus 0 equals 1, and sequence output value f sequence here Fibonacci sequence. And if I write 3, it will be 3, but in range it will just be 2 until 2. If I write 4, before we talked about range, but okay, we have two numbers. Let me run, let me print I here. In this way you will understand better. Like 4. Oh, we can see it now. Okay. How to do that? Here, because we are using VBox, we also need to create a label like number equals widgets label here. Okay, number, and as we did here, number dot value equals I, and here we will add this number widget to VBox. Okay, let's run. Yeah, I think it should be a string because here we used string. Just convert this number because I here in integer. Run again 0, 1, 2 because when it is 0, 1, 2 it doesn't work here, but when it's 3, okay, here the value is 3, and when it's 4 it will be 3. The highest number is 3, and 5, 4. Here we can see when it is 9 the last number will be 8 because it's changing. Actually it is changed so quickly in the for loop, because of that we don't see. But just import time and here time dot sleep 1 second. Here when it's 3 we have 2, 4, 2 and 3. Here 5, it's changing. If I write 10, can you see this number is increasing without sleep? It's so quickly increasing, so we can see what's that number. Okay, after that we are adding these numbers one by one here, and sequence output will be like Fibonacci sequence, and we are observing an input, the value, whenever the input of an input change, we run generate sequence again. After that we create the VBox here, and in VBox we want to see an input sequence output, but later we add number. So in this way you can add many widgets here, and you just need to put in VBox whatever you want to see. Okay guys, I hope you understand. If you have any more question, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.